All right, guys. For my 200 subscriber special, I'm gonna take a BuzzFeed quiz, cause yeah. I think I'm gonna do. Are you a quarter, dime, nickel, or penny? Sounds sounds pretty good. I'm interested. My favorite season. Well, that's that's gotta be cold place, cold time, cause that's when I can live. Favorite meal? I'm a lunch kind of man. Lunch is good. Earth, oof. Um, I mean, wind feel pretty good on your back. I like wind. Um, I want to go. I want to go this one. Yeah. Which kind of candy is the best? Ooh, I like gummies. I like chewing on them. Maybe if I get gummy, I'll do that for another subscriber special. Which of these things do you like the most? Book, music, TV, video games. I like play video game, so pick something to scream money. No thanks. God help us all. Razzle dazzle. You know what? I am a dime. You're cute, tiny, and sleek. You're underrated. I saw a spider on my mic. I didn't like it. Um, you're more powerful than you look. You know, I think we can do another one, right? I'm a dime. That's pretty good. I like dimes. Um, let's do a food one. Oh, okay. So, yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. See. The rest of these, I think I've heard of Bojangles, but I've never had Bojangles. And yeah, uh, yeah, that's it. I've visited the South. Okay, all right. This is dumb. Let's do a different one. Can we guess what you're wearing from your food choices? Let's go. Rather eat right now. Ooh, I'm pretty hungry. I want something substantial. I'm going with pizza. Um, I don't want any of these. I guess Italian. Which of these fruits would you rather eat? Banana. Which of these snacks would you rather eat? String, granola, raisin, chips. I like all of these, but string. Which of these foods would you rather eat right now? Uh, no. Maybe. And definitely not these two. I'm just gonna go nachos. Sounds kind of good. Sweet breakfast food. Hmm. So, I haven't had French toast in a while. I'll go French toast. Pick a side. Ooh, mashed potato dough. Just rice. I don't know. Rice goes good with everything. I've got sweatpants on. Well, I can confirm that I don't. I have like little comfy shorts on. So that's not true. There's gotta be a good one, right? Let's do zodiac. Can we actually guess your zodiac sign based on your shoe preference? I'm not doing that. Fuck shoes. I'm more of a barefoot kind of man. Make a big old bowl of pasta. Kids meals. Okay, pick a Subway kids meal. I don't want any of these. Culver kids meal. I don't think I've ever had Culver's. This is a bad choice. Butterburger looks kind of good though. I know it's an advertisement, but it looks kind of good. I imagine the Tindies though are probably the prime choice, the optimized approach. But I'm not really min-maxing my child's dietary needs, so I'm getting Butterburger. Pick a Chipotle kids meal. Chipotle makes kids. Okay. That quesadilla looks pretty good. Pick an A&W. Oh yeah, A&W has restaurants, don't they? That's weird. Hamburger. Corn dog nuggets, though. Those chicken tenders, though, that look good. Hamburger, cheeseburger. Yeah, cheeseburger. Sonic kids meal. Probably the Tendies again. Pick a Chick-fil-A kids meal. Oh, they're nuggets though. They're good. I like their nuggies. Arby's kid meal. Can I just skip this one? None of it's good. I'll go chicken slider. Look, it's probably the better option. Pick a Panera Bread kids meal. What a strange choice to bring your kid for food. That salad looks pretty good. I get that. Wendy's kids meal. Their burger good. Dairy Queen cakes. Oh yeah. Hamburg. I have water sign. That's general. Yes, I am a water sign. I'm this one right here, but it's pretty general for like zodiacs. It's like it didn't really give me a specific one. It's like you're one of these. It's all right. This is fucking dumb. I'm done. Have a good day, I guess. Fuck.